Great. I have prepared a template for you with which you can create a unique and stylish cover for your track in just a few seconds. Let's go. First, open the project folder and open the Photoshop file. After that, go to the project itself. We need to select the topmost layer, this one. Click on it twice, and a new window will open. You need to replace this text with your own. Once it's ready, press the key combination Ctrl+S to save the changes. Then go to the main window, and you can see that your text has changed. In the lower layers, you can choose a color for your cover by adjusting this slider, and you can keep or remove the copyright notice. Once everything is ready, save the cover in JPEG format 3000 by 3000 pixels. I hope I helped you. Check out my other videos on the channel. There you will find track covers, animation templates, and design resources. You can download the project via the link in the description. Thank you, and good luck.